So over my shoulder, just as an artifact from that is a legacy of this little collaboration. Started talking about that over a year ago. The Golden Bridge over Crocodile River with the five quintiles: shadow, preparation, performance, devotion, and achievement. So I'm going to spend 20% of my time on each one of those. That that quad of trios that I sent you, those are the guiding forces that help me achieve that. The spirit animal for each of those: the stallion, impetuous in the shadow; the mule, who is preparation; the beaver, who is performance; the owl, which is devotion and paying the best work forward; and then the eagle of visionary achievement that comes back and supports the guys in the coal mine doing the work. Across the top, Confucius, Solomon, and Mike Three Bears. Over on the right hand side, my three top level spirit guides. And in the middle, sort of the brothers four: the farmer in the field, the smith in the smithy, the master machinist in the machine shop, and the trail boss on the trail. And the thing that ties that all together is the catalyst change agent that assembles all these guys in a harmonious way to get things going over that eternal bridge. And that the top of the bridge that you see there is really just the visible portion of the wheel of karma, which makes that a cyclic hamster wheel of striving and effort. So that whole ecosystem is connected to the Trail Boss project. And the Trail Boss Challenge, the 30-day Trail Boss Challenge, is to commit to doing one thing tomorrow in writing and then get it done, and then go to the next thing for 30 days in a row as part of the larger strategic deployment project where you map out your entire work in progress. Planning is easy. Preparation is simple, but it's hard. And execution is easy if you've done the preparation. It's 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 simple, but it's hard. I would say that about execution. It's actually easy. Being simple is what makes it easy. Doing it is what's hard. I mean, to actually put the energy in to do it. So that's why the coal from the coal mine is so necessary for everything else to even occur. And that's why to disrespect or to judge the source of energy as somehow less, dumb coal miners, or whatever the energy, wherever your energy comes from, your energy comes from your motivation, which is connected to that vision the eagle has out in the distance, but you got to get there. And so the bottoms up each day, each next step is where you find the purpose and the energy to keep going. That's actually more important than the vision, because the planning is actually pretty easy. Preparation is hard work. Production is easy if you've done the planning and the preparing and the stay. It's just work. That's all it is. It's just work. And work is best. And devotion is picking the 10% that's best to pay forward so that the people may thrive. And then the eagle is free to go do the visioning and all that other stuff. Yeah, but if you never come back and tell us and bring that light into the coal mine to help us shovel coal, thanks. Go ahead, keep flying and talking. But we're down here shoveling. The coal won't shovel itself, as my father used to say. That house won't paint itself. So that great big bridge you see there is really the karmic wheel of effort